Hi, good morning. This is Suzanne Seeley with Suzanne Style Snips. Today, my blog is on manners again because I keep seeing the same phenomenon happening over and over again. And someone had written in to me and made a comment that when someone walks up to you and says, "Hi, I'm a doctor," that person is trying to impress you. And I do definitely agree with that. I think sometimes they say as we get older that we lose our filters, and so we just go and we say anything we want. Well, I think that is very true. I think as you get older, you do drop off your filter and you feel that you're entitled to say certain things. I also think young people do it just out of a lack of manners. So it's not exclusive to older people, but it is kind of a cliche about people as they get older. Well, I think we have to be very, very careful about that, and probably the best approach is like what someone did to me the other day. I met this gentleman, and he said, "Come over here, Suzanne, and sit down next to me and tell me about yourself." And it was just such a surprising way to approach a conversation. You may not like to talk about yourself, but I must say it's a whole lot better than, "Hi, I just got back from Egypt," or, "Hey, did you know that I've been on 5 cruises this year and I just bought a new BMW?" It's so much better than that, because that way people are trying to impress you, but what they're really doing is the absolute opposite. They're not impressing, they're unimpressing. Anyway, that's my style snip for today. Please like, subscribe, and pass along my blog.